Hey parents, so I hate to throw you guys a curveball after we've done 1 week of remote learning, but I just really have reviewed some things and thought about the process this week and realized that it's a lot of steps for students and a lot of clicking and going back and forth. So we as a first grade team have worked to completely revamp the virtual learning. So this video is going to be an explanation walking you through the new setup. So my screen right here that you see is the map screen, which your students also see when they first log into their Chromebooks. So from here, usually we go to Google Classroom to access videos and lessons. Now that has changed. We are always going to go through this backpack. So your students will click that. The process to get to the apps is the same. They will click the beach picture on the left-hand side, then click apps. That is all the same. What's different here is that you will see this red apple. The red apple has the lessons and activities listed for that week. So you'll see August 31st through September 4th. That is this upcoming week. So you will click that to get your mini lessons and your activity. So what you see here is a Monday through Friday slides, and it's got the explanation of what slide is for which day. So Monday tells you it slides 2 through 4, Tuesday slides 5 through 7. That way you know exactly which slides that you are expected to do each day. So for Monday, slides 2 through 4. If I go to slide number 2, if I follow these numbers, that is all the assignments that I will do for ELA. So this one is reading. Number 1, I would watch the mini lesson. And the good thing about this is when you click play, it doesn't open up another tab. You can watch it directly on this slide. And then number 2, character settings sort. Your activities are going to be listed below your mini lesson videos. So for this one, it is in Google Classroom. You can tell by the icon. So you would actually just go back to the back. So you just go back to their backpack and access Google Classroom there. So you would click Google Classroom, log them in, and then be able to find their activities there. So on Google Classroom, it is still the same in the sense that you click on classwork, but you'll notice our topics have changed. So usually your lessons and activities are listed here, but now I just showed you all the lessons are going to be in the backpack. So the Google Classroom will just have their assignments listed. So I just watched this shared reading video. I'm going to look for the character settings sort. I know that that is reading. So when I come to Google Classroom, I'm going to find the reading assignment tab. When I click the reading assignment tab, it tells me exactly which assignment I need to do. Right here, Monday, August 31st. I would open that and complete the character setting drag and drop assignment. And I will be able to tell that students do this because it creates a copy with their name. So you do not have to worry about messaging me and asking if it is completed. Just make sure that you do turn in that assignment on the Google Classroom. So then after you've watched that mini lesson and completed that assignment, you can move to number 3, which is your next mini lesson. Watch the video and then go to number 4. You will see here, this one is just their handwriting paper pencil book. It does not say upload to Seesaw, send a picture, or anything. So using the honor code, just complete that assignment at your own discretion. Then you move on to number 5, watch the Letterland video, and then do number 6, which is writing the words 3 times each in your Letterland journal. So this is for Monday, but remember the slides 2 through 4 were Monday. So I have to do number 3 as well. This now moves to math. I'm still going to follow the numbers as normal. So 1, watch the video. 2, watch the other video. 3 is going to be your first assignment. So counting objects, key numbers, and this tells me that it is on Seesaw. So for this, I just go back to the backpack tab, find Seesaw, and in Seesaw, your student will be assigned their counting activity for the team numbers. Then you would move on to number 4, I know it, go back to the backpack again, find I know it, log them in, and their assignment will be pushed out to them, and it should look like this. Then go to number 4, it's your last slide for Monday, August 31st. Follow the numbers to complete that, and then as you go to slide number 5, you're able to see that it goes to a different day. So all the slides are labeled, all the videos are here, and then your students do not have to drag check marks to show that they've completed assignments. All they have to do is watch the mini lessons here, do the assignments listed below. If it'll tell you exactly where it's at. If it's on Google Classroom, they will turn it in. If it's on Seesaw, we'll see that they completed it through there. If it's paper pencil and it does not say take a picture or upload, then it is just the honor code. You do it and be honest that you've done it. I hope this makes sense and is a little bit clearer for you guys. If you have any questions this week as we continue our second week of remote learning, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. Thank you.